You have a sandbox and you can practice reading a process in it. Here's the bigger idea, and it's the single piece of advice I'd give anyone about to run their first real improvement project. Before you do it for real, do the whole thing here. Define to control, start to finish. On a coffee shop that doesn't exist. It takes an afternoon, and it changes how the first real one feels. Start where a real project starts, the charter. And this is the same 19-field charter we filled in Chapter 4, behaving exactly the same way. Problem statement. Morning queues run past 6 minutes at peak. Goal metric. Every order served in under 4 minutes by the end of the quarter. In scope, the morning rush, 7 to 10. Out of scope, afternoons, and the drive-thru. Save and watch the ring. It moves because this is the same charter, doing the same arithmetic, in a project where being wrong costs nothing. Now measure, and here's where the practice really pays. Those 4 steps are sitting at 0 minutes because nobody has timed them yet. So let's give them times. Order taken, 1 minute. Payment, 1 more. Drink prepared, 2 minutes. And that's the step the customer actually values. Handoff, 1 minute. And watch, because the moment the last one lands, the value stream map does its arithmetic for you. 5 minutes of cycle time. 2 of them value added. 40% efficiency, calculated, not guessed. Then analyze. Why does the queue run long? Open the Analyze tab, and the same 6M fishbone is waiting. People. 1 barista covers both till and machine at peak. Process. Orders are made in the sequence they arrive, not batched by drink type. Equipment. 1 grinder, and it's shared. 3 suspects gathered in about a minute, and none of them cost anything to be wrong about. And that's the rehearsal. You would carry on the same way. Improve, where you'd score candidate fixes and pilot 1. Control, where you'd put a chart and an owner behind the gain. Every tab you've now used in anger, on a process where the worst possible outcome is that you learn something. When you're done, you can leave the sandbox sitting there as a scratch pad, or delete it, and it takes nothing with it. Nothing in here ever touched a real number. So that's Chapter 6, and here's the honest summary. Most people learn this method by getting it wrong on something that mattered. You don't have to. Build the sandbox, time the simulator until your readings are boring, rehearse the full arc once, and then go and do it for real. Next chapter, we go back to the real project at Heliodesk and start turning a spreadsheet of tickets into answers. See you there.